guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply every other color to every letter of your text in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word pastel, and I'm also going to select this font. Again, I'm using the same font. To make them all different colors, just select, for instance, the P. You want it to be pink. You're just going to only select the P. This one, I want it to be this like peachy orange. The S, I want it to, to be this yellow. And this T, I want it to be purple, if I can just select it. And then I want the E to be green. And then the L to be blue. And that is basically it. You can also do it with fonts, as you can tell what I did just now. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!